the old ways of working don't really apply anymore. We need to develop better ways of thinking.
IBEC's Medtech and Engineering Advanced Manufacturing Working Group, in tandem with the Irish Medtech Skillnet, have recognised the need to move with the times and to advance towards digital transformation. They've developed a programme that is more people-centric, it's cloud-based and high performance.
It's quite comprehensive. It's made up of a number of different strategies, but they're all designed to come together into one overarching framework to help businesses and organisations perform better into the future.
The whole MÓR Enterprise framework would be that when you're going down the road of digitisation, and that's involving Skillnet's elements as well, it's very important in the initial stage to lean out the process and to make sure that we're not digitising waste.
It's really geared around a hub and a spoke model. The hub is very much centred on the basic construct of what drives high performance systems. Each of the spokes they're designed around the emerging strategies and trends that are driving organisations into the future, such as sustainability, talent development, commercial excellence and digitalisation.
As facilitator for the MÓR Enterprise Excellence programme, my role will be to work with each of the companies for the people that they send with us to ensure that they're equipped to roll out the programme. So ultimately we'll be working with the champions to ensure that the system that we've developed as in the MÓR Enterprise Excellence programme is rolled out effectively and efficiently and implemented across the site.
What's really different about this approach, it no longer talks about tools or solutions. It instead gets people to start thinking about their own unique problems and how to approach them differently.
I really feel that MÓR can give them that ultimate advantage, and I think it's a really great opportunity for companies to take a look and see exactly how they can continue to grow and flourish in this current environment.
What's really different about this is embracing the true potential that exists in every single person that is part of your organisation. Be empowered around the processes that they own, to get everybody excelling towards performance, to involve everyone every day in solving problems and continuously improving performance, and to really make that part of your own DNA, something that you can be proud of, to build a system here that is going to stand the test of time, that is going to drive performance well into the future. That's the potential.
The MÓR Enterprise Excellence framework has been developed in collaboration with the Advanced Manufacturing Working Group in IBEC and the Irish Medtech Skillnet. The Irish Medtech Skillnet have developed a training programme to ensure that companies who have already gotten involved now have a proven model to sustain their growth and to deliver enterprise excellence across their organisation. Companies that get involved will see those benefits as the companies that are already involved are achieving. So for companies, whether it be an SME, a high potential startup, a large organisation or a multinational, what's at the centre of your organisation is your people. And to develop those people, we have a programme that can help you achieve those results. Contact the irishmedtechskillnet.ie.